Hey everybody, this is Intro, and today we're going to be going over the NS lookup, which will allow you to check and see all of the IP addresses on a server. So if you didn't know, all IP addresses are stored onto domain name servers. And this is important for people who are going through a networking class or networking in general. If it's a hobbyistic thing, you're really going to need to know this information. And what I wanted to say really fast is, I know it can get a little repetitive and annoying going through all of these command prompt videos and not really having the implementation of actually going through packets and analyzing them. But what you're gonna watch out for is, once you get all of this information and you're readily on command prompt and you know the commands and you know the code for it, you will be able to analyze packets, and that goes far. That goes into network implementation. Like I said, it goes into setting up networks, topologies, and all different types of stuff, including hacking. It's really big in hacking. So just be patient, learn all the information you need to know, and we will eventually get there. So what we're going to be going over today is NS lookup, like I said, and NS lookup just shows you all the IP addresses on a server. So what we're going to do is NS lookup google.com, just for an example. Okay, so what we got back from the NS lookup was the first thing right here, which was my server, which was the server that sent the request. So as you can see here, my IP address shows of my router and my internet service provider right here. And what I got back were the IP addresses on google.com. Now, of course, Google isn't going to have one IP address. They're too big of a company. So what it got, of course, I got back more than one IP address because of all their information on their website. And just to show you really fast, a more simple network, what we'll do is NS lookup my network. So 192.168.1.254, as you can see right here, which was the IP address or the server that was sent, and that's my router right here. So what we'll get back is simply one IP address that shows the same exact thing that I already knew, which was my IP address of my network and my internet service provider, being that I don't have more than one IP address on my network. So we'll go ahead and clear the screen here, and that's all I wanted to show you guys for this video. Like I said, hang in there. We'll get eventually to the network implementation part of command prompt, Wireshark, and all that good stuff. But for now, you're going to want to practice these commands, know them, and go over them, especially if you're in a networking class. It is very important. So thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe, and have a good day.